So we're the first real generation to have gone from landlines to mobiles, aren't we? Absolutely, 100%.
Well, do you remember when we went from landline corded to landline cordless?
Oh yeah.
You
could walk around. Yeah.
Yeah, because you used to have a really long wire, didn't you? And you get all wrapped up in it, and then all of a sudden,
Cordless.
oh my
Cordless.
goodness,
And then
cordless phones.
with so you could do a recorded message.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Answer phone message.
Answer phone messages.
Hello.
Sorry, I can't come to the phone right now, but if you'd like to leave a message.
We've just progressed so quick, haven't we?
Yeah, it's bounded along.
Yeah.
It's just bonkers.
Night or day, 24/7.
It's so fast.